for your time today.
Thank you.
All right, the Supreme Court just moments ago dealing potentially a fatal blow to the internet service Aereo, ruling it violates federal copyright law. Let's get right to NBC's Justice correspondent Pete Williams. Pete?
Two big decisions today. That one, and the Supreme Court has just ruled that police generally do need a search warrant before they can search the cell phones of people they arrest. Now, on these two decisions, first, Aereo was an internet startup company that allowed its subscribers to get over-the-air television delivered on their mobile devices, iPads, smartphones, any mobile device. The broadcasters, including NBC, sued, saying that Aereo was basically taking their copyrighted programs and selling subscriptions to them, to their service, and that was illegal. Aereo said no, it was just doing the same thing a person could do at home, connecting an antenna to a recorder, and the specific way that Aereo was set up allowed it to get around that law, but the court didn't buy that. It was a 6-3 opinion. And while it technically leaves Aereo free to redesign its program, in essence, this is a death knell for Aereo because the company itself had said that if it didn't prevail on this legal theory, it probably would fold. So this probably kills Aereo basically in the crib. Now, on the second case, the Supreme Court in a pair of cases said that ruled against the Obama administration and said that when the police stop someone and arrest them, they have to get a search warrant first before they rummage through the contents of a person's cell phone. Now, the usual law here is that when the police arrest somebody, they can search anything that's on the person's pockets, in the person's briefcase, purse, whatever. But the opponents of that approach had said that smartphones are so much different because they hold such massive amounts of what could potentially be highly personal data, medical records, intimate pictures, and so forth. So this is a surprisingly strong opinion, 8-1, and an important case going forward in what will undoubtedly be an issue that the Supreme Court will be dealing with for years to come, privacy in the digital age. Now, what the Supreme Court's opinion says, written by Chief Justice Roberts, is that that's the general rule, but there may be exceptions in what he calls exigent circumstances, which probably means if someone's arrested for a very serious crime in the heat of the moment, the police can possibly get a search warrant. But the general rule is that when someone's arrested, the police have to get a search warrant before they can look through your cell phone. So those are the big decisions for today. 3 decisions, also another technical decision involving the world of finance. We'll get more cases tomorrow and possibly Monday.
Busy times there. Thank you so much, NBC's Justice correspondent Pete Williams, with those 2 major decisions. Thank you so much. Well, after the break, we will talk about potentially how the House Speaker might be suing the President of the United States.